Hi dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Today I'll be sharing an idea of upcycled storage containers for your makeup items, for some of your essential oils, for your perfume samples, and for your makeup brushes. Let's go. My first makeup box which is a box from a perfume and lotion set from Pleasures from Estee Lauder. So I organized all my makeup items, all my eyeshadows, blushes, contour, etc, etc. Then I have used this cookie container from Costco. I guess it had some cranberry cones inside. So I used that box for it's not a box, but I'm calling it a box, this container to store my essential oils for spa days, because I have decided to have spa days either on Saturdays or Sundays, whenever I find some time. Then I used another cookie slash chocolate container, which is opening up, and the top is really cool. It's very convenient because it's not separate. You can just open and close. I stored all my morning and night routine creams and lotions and oils. This is eye cream. I have all the Shiseido. I used to say Shiseido. I have my perfection cream, etc, etc. So all of them here, and it's closing conveniently. Please ignore my nail condition. I have to do my nails tonight. I use this Victoria's Secret perfume set box to store all the perfume samples. And now this box is again from Estee Lauder. It's again from Pleasures, but it's an old box because I used it for different purposes. And this is my spa box. I call it a spa box. Why? Because I have all the needed items for a spa day that I'm organizing for myself. So let me close it. Before I go to brushes, let me tell you where am I storing them. In this cute box that I got recently with my Estee Lauder Pleasures perfume set. Here, all my makeup brushes, and as you can see, I have quite a lot of them, different types. By the way, if you have noticed, I didn't even remove the cover of my Estee Lauder box, which was there, original cover, before closing it with the top. Okay, now let me show you why I'm keeping these items here. For example, if you have a jar like this one, I'm not saying particularly this jar because some people don't like Nivea. I love it. I use it for my arms and my thighs. So I have decided to use this jar. Are you ready? Ta-da! And what are these ones? These ones are the tops of my favorite perfume or body mist, whatever you want to call it, Victoria's Secret Bombshell. So I've collected as many tops as I had and decided to use it for my brushes. Yes, you are not mistaken, for my makeup brushes. I will show you how I'm thinking to use it. You have your brushes in a separate ziploc, and when you travel you can just carry them together, and whenever you do your makeup, just open the jar and start doing your makeup in a fast and easy way. It will be cool to have it on my makeup desk. Here we go. See how convenient it is?
Now, if you want to have it in a more professional form, I'm offering you to use this type of a thing. I'm going to scotch tape one of the sides of the top part so I can open and close easily. This thing I got from Dollar Tree or maybe Dollar King, I don't remember, but I got it from one of those stores. It's a nice cute thing, but I hate leaving brushes open because they collect dust, and then every time I use them I have to go through washing and drying, and it takes 10 hours. So it's better to have them ready. Every time I do the makeup, I just clean them on a special type of pad and then cover with the top. Let me show you. Let's say the brushes are here and I'm using them and decide to close and decide to leave them until the next makeup time. So I'm just covering them with this, and that's it. Which one did you like more? This one, this version, or that version? I decided to give you an extra tip because I remembered I'm going to do my laundry. I'm storing all my quarters in one of my vitamin containers, vitamin D. So look around and you may find these containers if you haven't thrown away. And this, if you remember, we used to have some Kodak cameras that worked with films. Remember those cameras and the films that we had? So this is the container of a film. I kept it for a bunch of years, maybe 10 or 12 years, because I still have that camera, but I don't know where is it actually. So I was using in this ones, but now it's easier to use in this one because you can count how many you have. If you're doing laundry, you may see how many you need to add up to do your washing and drying. Hope you like my today's tips for organizing and traveling storage items, and hope you don't forget to put your thumbs up in case you like it and come back. Don't forget to subscribe because it's important also to click on that notification bell on the side so you can get new video notifications. Love everybody. Bye bye.